I know it doesn't exactly look like it right now, but it's getting warmer here in Seattle. Getting a little bit warmer. Anyways, summer is just around the corner. And if you haven't noticed, your entire Tesla's roof is glass. And glass gets hot. The car cover on the C8 is making me look all red. Listen, I don't care if you have tint on your roof. I have tint on my roof. Okay guys, it's this car cover. There's not like the shining in front of us. I have tint on this roof and I have tint on this back glass. I used to live in California and it got so hot in here. Even with the roof box on top, the sides right here got super hot. All right, so how do we fix that? Don't worry, friends. I have something for you. It's a glass roof sunshade. Wow. There's countless videos online of people using things like this or even wrapping their roof. And it's always made a noticeable difference. This is just going the extra mile and you just buy it and put it on. You don't have to take it to go get wrapped. You don't have to take it to go get tinted. You just slot these bad boys in. One for the front and one for the rear. It also has clips to hold it in. That's literally it. You're just clipping these to your roof. Okay, the Tesla had to go outside, but the video doesn't change at all. So they have two different colors you can get it in, either black or this gray. The gray matches your headliner. And the black is just for a super sleek look. Or if aftermarket, you make the headliner black, which I eventually want to do. So this will be perfect for me, and this is the one I'll be going with. Also, it comes with this carrying pouch, which is nice for the winter months when you don't need it. You just put it in here. That's what I dropped earlier. Let me know in the comments which one that you're going with. The OEM headliner look or the black headliner. Which one you doing? Each of the sunshades have this position mark. So you have one for the front and one for the back. So you know which is which. And then the clips that are in here, well, it tells you where they need to go. I guess you don't even really need to watch me. You can just you pause it here, just go put it on yourself. If you want to order it, it'll be in the description below. They tell you exactly how to put it on your car. All right, so the side that's facing up has this little reflective bit, which is supposed to reflect the heat. Do you feel reflected yet? With the black ones, it's kind of cool. They actually come with these black clips. Stay subscribed, stay following, because in the future, we're totally putting black headliner on that car. Now this one says Model 3 rear and the front one does say Model 3 front. I like how this one tells you exactly which one it is and color matches everything. And the instructions are so nice. The carrying bag, I'm just gonna keep in the frunk for extra storage, you know, when it's winter. And then we can go and put these on the Tesla right now. Throw that in there. Hey! I'm gonna put these clips on. Wow, was that easy? Check it out, guys. Look at how black this is. I love that. It looks like I'm looking into the void. And if you were driving around at night, I guess you wouldn't even know if this was on here because it's just black anyway. So I think this gives it a super seamless look. Now, I also think that if you went with the OEM headliner color like this, you can't go wrong because it's just going to match. The black stands out a little bit, but remember, eventually all of this will be black. So I think it'll blend in nicely. But I also like the black for just being black. And that is pretty much it, guys. We have it installed in the front. This is for like the sunroof. And then we have it in the back as well for the back roof. As you can see, I have a bed in here. And the reason why is because I love car camping. Gonna get back into it soon. This isn't only just for the sun. It's also for if you're camping. You don't always want to see stars at night. You don't always want to see lights at night if you're camping in the city. I'm talking about the car camping. So these do great in blocking out the light. It's a great idea, isn't it? They completely cover even the edges. I was shocked, like genuinely shocked at how well these fit. You saw how easy they slid in and all the edges look the same. They're just seamless around here and then around here all the way. And I didn't even use all the clips. I put one clip in the front, I put two in the back, one here and then one there. And for the back here, I did one clip here, I did one clip in the middle and then one clip on the side. So 3 clips per thing. And that's it, guys. Privacy. I mean, look at this right here. Boom, boom. For the summer months, for if you're camping, either or, even both. The lights are doing some weird waving effect on the camera right now. You see that? Okay, stop getting distracted. That's pretty much it. I seriously want to know who's picking up the black ones and who's picking up the gray ones. So after you order, there'll be a link in the description below. Let me know which color that you're getting. I don't know. I feel like black might be popular. I mean, hey, it matches the seats, right? So if you have white interior, I don't, just leave them below. Peace out, everyone. Stay subscribed for more Tesla upgrades. A lot more coming soon.